People of the world, you are back with me, and we are back right here in Lodge 750. And we are at the wondrous Center Parcs. Once again, I told you in the last video that we would come back here at Christmas or thereabouts, and here we are. So let's take a little look inside Lodge 750 and see what this is all about. Okay, the one cupboard. Ooh. Baby stuff. We roll round, we're getting stuff ready. It's pretty much the same layout as before, except this time we've got a different sofa and a different floor, I believe. Outside we've got quite a good view of the waterside there. No, we didn't have that last time, so that's good. Come round. We have a noisy child. Say hey. Say hey. Maybe not. So we've got a twin room, and then, what's up? So we come through, we have a nice big shower room, which is lovely. So that's all good. And then we have our little kitchen area here with all the cooking facilities, fridges, granite worktops, and a lovely wife. And then we have the master bedroom with the window looking out there with a barbecue and a seating area and TV, wardrobe, small child, bathroom with a whirlpool bath. So that's all good. Touch button to turn her on and off. So relax in there, have a break away from work and the stress, and come here and relax by the waterside. So that is our little place for the week. This is what we're doing. So we come outside, we will see that the truck has disappeared, and that white vehicle is now our vehicle of choice, which is out here, a nice Ford Cougar, 2015 model. That got swapped to us for the Navara. So the last vehicle we brought was the Navara. We brought that here, which is excellent, but decided this was a better option for the small family. So that is our vehicle of choice, and I've now got to take that to the car park and leave it there for the week while we're here walking around and enjoying the sights and the things that Center Parc has to offer. So here we are, and the first little thing we're doing today is we're going checking out the swimming pool. We've checked it out before, we're checking it again for the sake of it. How peaceful is this place? Look, how peaceful is this? Trimmed up for Christmas with all the lights. All the lights there, all the lights on the pathway, there's snow machines, everything.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you
I am back from swimming. After getting myself a little Starbucks. I don't usually get these, but it's the only really one here. There's no Costa, so no flat white. Went with a caramel macro. So right now it's time to ditch this coat off, get my bigger, warmer coat because we're going to go watch some fireworks. I've left them in the swimming pool getting changed because I need to swap coats, pick up the gimbal so you can have some nice shots, and sort this fluffy mess out. So that is my plan. So bear with me, and we'll be on the way again super shortly. But first, VO5, this fluffy hair. Magically, we're in the shower. VO5, my head. Let's sort this mess out. We are good to go. Wash these mitts, we're out of here. Towels, no towels, no towels, no towels! Towels! Time to pick up the gimbal. Time to put on the bigger coat, which is this snuggly beast. I love this coat. She is warm. So all I've got to do now is grab the gimbal. Just grab the gimbal for some shots and get out of here. Come on. Well, I'm on my way back to see the fireworks. I'm filming this on the GoPro, so I apologise if I'm a little shaky, but I don't think the iPhone is going to keep up with the darkness. If I'm completely and utterly honest, I think this possibly could do a better job, so hence the reason I'm using this. So once I meet the girls, 6 o'clock, kick off with the fireworks. Let's hope they're awesome. This morning we have been at it. We have been making cupcakes, inserted right now. Then we're going to see the big fella in that little bit over there where all the Christmas trees are, in that little hut. So the guy in the big red suit is going to be there, big F. And we're going to take this one to see him. Was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did he give you a magic coin?
Yeah.
Did he?
And a present.
And a present?
Yeah.
What sort of present did he give you?
She's not opened it yet.
Oh. Well, we best see. I should know that, really.
Yeah.
Good skills, Dad. Good skills. What are we doing now?
Going for lunch.
Lunch.
There we
And
go.
then more swimming.
And doing the park.
The park?
Yeah.
You want to do the park?
Yeah.
Do you? This morning I was sitting here having a bit of lunch, and these little visitors are at the window. Not them two. Those two. Tapping. Did you hear that? Tapping at the window for us to feed them. Why do I get the feeling this lot will be in the car on the way? And look, ain't these two are coming in?
They're not.
Right, I'm going to shut the door before the big one comes in here. There you go. Enjoy.
Why little ones are going?
Because the big ones are there now.
The big ones are there, so it scares all the little ones off on the ducks leave. Keep going, troops. Keep going, keep going. We are leaving right now to go see the ponies, to get a pony ride across through the Forrest area, which is one of the little, I guess, appointments that you'd call it that we've booked. And then after that, we are going to go hit up Huck's and have some dinner. So come along and let's have a look at this pony ride. Should we do it, Sydney? Should we do this pony ride?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you want to jump on Dad now?
Yes.
Go. Oh my word! Oh. If you're wondering why she's picked up, her little feet are hurting. And so, you're in my arms, aren't you? And her little feet are hurting too.
So I'm going in the other arm.
So unfortunately, I'm going to have to put you guys down for a moment so I can pick her up too. Let's get to the ponies. Oh, well that is the pony ride done. They wouldn't let me film because they said I may trip over, scare the pony and throw the child off. So, now that the pony ride's over and I had to leg it to get there because we were going to be late, so threw the little one on my shoulders and off I ran. So I'm still a little bit out of breath. And now we're off to make, what are we doing now? Wreaths, that's right. We're now going to make some wreaths and give one of those to Nanny. And then we're going to go and have dinner at Huck's.
Squirrel on the bin.
So, squirrel on the bin. That's been pointed out by the wife. Squirrel on the bin, everyone. Squirrel on the bin. Look how happy she is about that. She loves it. And we've... It's a real one, your nana. Is a pretend. Right, and then we've got to walk all that way, look. Ooh. All the way back, all holding it.
We're having a pink llama.
We are getting the pink llama to the till. Well, that's a hit. Llama is our new friend. Welcome to the crew. Wreath making is complete, isn't it? We've done it. We've got to pick up in a little while, but first we're going into Huck's. Wobbly hands. Good morning, guys. It's Friday, we're on our last day here today. I'm now going to go get the car so that we can get everything packed away, and we'll probably end up spending the rest of the day in the pool. You've got to be out of your villa by 10, so like to get the car early, get it packed, because it's absolutely mental. Lots and lots of people here, busy, which means if everyone want to get the car at the same time, it's just an absolute nightmare. So I'm walking a different route to what we've done all week. Could be quicker. Didn't want to put the wife through it because she's pregnant and her hips hurt and her back hurt and blah blah blah. So yesterday we almost missed the pony ride, which was a bit hectic. Had to throw the little one on my shoulders, ditch the pregnant one and run, and we got there just in time, so happy about that. Last night was good. Went to Huck's. What did we get at Huck's? We got double chicken burger for me. Cassie had ribs, and Little one just had a little buffet that they do there so that the kids don't get bored. They're not waiting, so you can go up straight away, get the kids fed. They're looking and entertaining and colouring at the same time, and that is all good. And it looks like we have, the binmen have arrived. So as we walk down, yes, there's a little photo opportunity here. Look at that. They look pretty. Get all the kids in there, make it look good. Sit them all in a little sleigh that's in there. Look, quality. So yeah, we've had a great time again. No issues at all. So we like that. We're coming again. I'm going to book it again for next Christmas just because I'm that impressed. I think it's worth the money. A lot of people say it's expensive, but I think it's worth the money. So if you want to do something at Christmas with your family, get everyone together, Centre Parcs Elveden is the one. So I'm signing out for today, guys. That is it. It's over. We've had a great time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, push that subscribe button. Ciao.